Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You're starting a meeting now. Open Meet. Google. Or click Meet inside Gmail and sign in with the Google account you'll use. Once signed in, choose the profile that matches your meeting identity so chat and calendar entries align. When the browser asks, allow camera and microphone so participants can see and hear you. Make sure to choose the correct device if you have multiple. This gets you into the pre-join screen where you confirm video, audio, and background before joining. Once you click Join Now, familiarize yourself with the toolbar at the bottom. Mute/unmute quickly, toggle camera, and turn captions on for clarity. If you need to present, click Present Now and choose a window, tab, or entire screen. Select a Chrome tab for best audio. Make sure to use layout options to switch between tiled view and spotlight so you can focus on speakers or content. Also, use the hand raise and chat to manage questions. To finish, click Leave Call, or if you're the host, End Meeting to close the room for everyone. If you recorded, stop recording before leaving so the file saves to your Google Drive. Make sure to share the Drive link afterward. If audio or video fails, check browser permissions and selected devices, reload the tab and reconnect. Often switching the mic or camera in Meet's device menu fixes it. If problems continue, restart your browser and try again.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.